So here we have a question. Two stationary point particle with equal and opposite charges are at some fixed distance from each other. The points having zero electric potential lies on. See, here given is we have two stationary point particle with opposite charges. One charge is plus q, another charge is minus q, right? It is separated with some fixed distance, say r. Now you know, if the charges are opposite at the middle point, what is the potential? So this distance is r by 2, this distance is r by 2. That means net potential will be due to v plus q plus v minus q, right? So the sum will be 0. Why? Because v is equal to k plus q by r by 2 plus k minus q divided by r by 2. The net sum will be 0. So middle it is 0 means, suppose you consider a plane here at the middle. See, any point on this plane from plus q and minus q, it is equal distance, right? Suppose this distance is x, this distance also x. So any, suppose you consider an equatorial point, there is a plane, any point on the plane that is equidistant from plus q and minus q. So any point on this plane, the net electric potential is 0. Then we can say the point having 0 electric potential lies on a plane only, right? Okay, thank you.